Hi, Jess here with Digital Empire, and welcome to the Family Bank Funding Review Summit 5 Things You Need to Know. So let's get started. All right, so in this video, we're going to discover insights into the Family Bank Funding Review. We're going to have a full comprehensive review so that you can stay informed and make a good decision. If you like videos about internet marketing, please subscribe today and press the like button. For full transparency, I am not affiliated with this program, but be sure to stay until the end so that you can receive your special free gift that I have for you. So let's jump right in. What is the Family Bank Funding? The Family Bank Funding is a training program developed by Cameron Dlap. The program was created alongside JP Moses, Patrick Riddle, and other businesses. The focus on this program is to have a quick start into the real estate market, and it focuses on becoming a successful. And the main focus is to help you with the processes of it, and it involves wholesaling, investing, foreclosures, and everything that you need to know that gives you a step-by-step foundation to receiving passive income. The main goal of this program is to help educate investors on how to get into the market created by foreclosures in the U.S. The FBF offers funding up to $600,000 in funding for deals within 6 months with zero fees and with this funding option. So the person that created this course, Cameron Dlap, so he is an expert in his field, and he has been in the industry for about 29 years. He's been making solid investments now for between, I believe it was 1993, 1995. And he speaks on platforms and he's been invited to teachings involving real estate. He's an established wealth in the wealth network software industry. And he's also he's a CEO of his own company. And so he's been introducing products and tools that are specially designed to help investors focus on real estate and wholesaling. He organizes free trainings and he coaches on investments and house flipping despite credit scores. That's what he's known for. So who is the family funding for? Who would this be for? This is for the person that's interested in breaking into the field of real estate investing. It's an excellent choice for individuals who are new to the real estate investing world. And it's also for people who want to learn the skills of house flipping specifically. It will be for someone who, it's going to have a comprehensive program. It'll help to equip you in the industry strategies that includes negotiating with sellers, selling homes at profits, purchasing homes that have been distressed or in ill repair. So how does the family funding work exactly? Now, FBF, as we call it, helps individuals flip homes without using their own money. So it relies on referring to the family bank to fund these real estate transactions. And so one of the things is that it provides both the buyer and the seller for them to be lined up for specific qualification requirements. And so that's how the transactions need to occur that same day at the lender's risk. The profits, you'll get profits for someone who wants to make money. It's the difference in price and selling price and incurring profit. So there's different things that the family bank goes over inside of their coursework to help you understand that relationship and the dynamic and how that works. The family funding book is different in its real estate approach that would need minimal upfront costs and generate income through property transactions. So what is the family program? Let's kind of jump in a little bit more. What you get inside of this program is 4 modules. The first one is to kickstart. It's foundations. It covers understanding the market, and it covers your, all the lingo and kind of how the process works. Number 2, how to fund the deal. It talks about how to fund the deal, the critical topics on how to direct students to exploring other funding methods. It talks about, in the 3rd module, about how to find the type of real estate that would be best as a good investing opportunity. And this could be, again, foreclosures and different types of properties. It helps you recognize those properties. Number 4, how to flip the deal. So this part of the module helps you, and it breaks it down in repeatable steps actually on how you can sell it for profit. This includes negotiation strategies, techniques, things like that. Also, the deal funding certificate is up to $600K. So that's one of the standout features of this program, is that the inclusion of the deal is that you get a certificate that grants access to transactional funds up to $600K. So it equips you to organize and network in potential buyers. A lot of real estate hinges on your network of potential buyers. So the program also helps with there's 29 methods that they lay out to help strengthen your list of cash buyers. So that's pretty key in this. The additional resources equips you with things like scripts and helps you through any challenging things of the process. Now, one key point that you need when you're doing this kind of thing is airtight contracts. Airtight contracts is it's a real estate transaction, and it helps you to have clear and legally sound contracts, which are essential. And so it helps you to develop airtight contracts based on proven practices, and it helps you answer any questions and get everything in alignment legally on the contract so you can avoid any pitfalls. Now, one of the bonuses is that, of course, you have a coach that will help you. They'll have proof of funding letters, and really overall, this is just to give you confidence to be able to, do this whole process, because it can be quite daunting at first, but with the team there, it can help you guide you through with the coaching. So how much does the family funding cost? So it's a one-time enrollment fee of $97, but this is the initial investment that grants you access to the program. But here's the clincher. Upon purchasing family funding, you may encounter two options on an upsell. There's the motivated seller data. So this upsell is it's priced at $299, and it's followed by a $99 a month subscription. And so this gives you instant accountable check-in system. This is a one-time upsell of $127. It provides you with access to a dedicated staff member for 30 days. It's important to note that when you are ready to buy a property, you may need to allocate additional funds for an earnest money deposit. For bank-owned homes, the earnest money deposit typically ranges from 1% to 3% of the purchase price. So some of this may need to be set aside. And so that money, that 1% to 3%, could range anywhere from $600 to $18,000. So you need to be ready for those kinds of costs. This is an essential part of the investment process, though. All these extra funds, you want to make sure that you have access to those. Now, the refund policy on this particular program is that there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it operates with a no questions asked refund policy. So this means that if you decide that you don't like it, no questions asked, they'll just refund it to you after 30 days. The family bank reviews, there have been claims of profits averaging from $21,000 after they've gone through the program. But it's important to note that these are only listed on the website, so that's not listed on anything that's a third party. It's worth mentioning that the reviews are about a year old, so any testimonials that appear, they're not updated. And so that would be, to get a full picture, you would need some updated reviews. It seems that the good results are coming from people that have prior knowledge in real estate and that have actually gone through the program. So the pros of the family funding is that there's an abundance of testimonials, an abundance of success stories on their website. There's comprehensive core training, which means you're going to get core training, you're going to get the lingo, you're going to get what the business is about. There's lifetime access and free updates, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So the cons of this would be that there's a lack of recent student results. So it's hard to gauge if it's really effective or not. It's not really user-friendly. A lot of people have said that when they get into the program that it's hard to gauge, even though they said that it was easy to add access. It's kind of hard to get through, so it's not very user-friendly. The information's not updated, so some of it might be outdated, which could impact the course. The marketing strategies, the way that they go about it could raise questions on its approach. So you want to kind of lead with caution. And there's an undisclosed full amount of it's not really disclosed, the amount. And so this may be discouraging because after you purchase, the student didn't anticipate for more money that they would need to have up front, and so for later things as well. And so this can kind of be a little bit discouraging because it wasn't clear how much money you actually needed in the beginning. So the verdict is that this is by Cameron Dlap. He's a seasoned veteran, so that's good. So you're working with someone who's got lots of experience. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. This might not be a complete passive income, and especially at first, it's really hard to gauge that. And so the model will require lots of money, and so that may not be an ideal choice for you if you don't have access to that. However, if you're committed, it could be a really good investment. And you really, having a strong understanding of real estate and engaging in real estate endeavors will be key to the success of this program. So I hope that was helpful. Overall, I do think that there are other ways to make money. And so as promised, here is my link to my free gift. And I just want to explain that there's a couple of really great advantages to affiliate marketing. You can be working with companies that offer products or services that align with their interests. And by promoting these products and services, a commission is earned. And so with affiliate marketing, it's a little bit less. The return that you get back with affiliate marketing is better than, if you get involved in real estate, that's good. But there's so many upfront costs with affiliate marketing. You can work anywhere on a laptop, work on your own time. It's a low startup cost, so you don't have those investments in, property and things like that you would have to have access to. There's no overheads or product management. You don't have to stock products. I've been involved with that too, with Amazon, and so you don't have to stock any of those products, and then your money gets eaten away by ads and shipping and things like that. And so you can automate your business when you do this, and earning potential when you get involved with affiliate marketing. And so if you just press the link below in the pinned comments under the video, you can get your cheat sheet to 3 proven steps on quitting your 9 to 5. It's amazing. And so you can do this through high ticket affiliate marketing. And here's the page. As you can see, this is what it looks like when you opt in. And so thank you for joining me for the Family Funding Review. And thank you for joining me with Digital Empire today. I will see y'all on the next episode. Thanks, guys.